welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this edition, we're going to help you understand what is the Nifty prediction for tomorrow. That's November 3rd. Friday, the last trading session of the week, and it's going to be important to understand this because the Indian benchmark indices have erased the last two trading sessions losses and have ended higher today, and the Nifty is now back above the 19,100 mark, and this is amidst the positive cues that we got from global markets, no rate hike by the US Fed, the falling US bond yield and the crude oil prices also. So at close today, we did see the Sensex up about 489 points at 64,080 odd levels. The Nifty was up 144 points or 0.7% higher at 19,133. We've also seen that the investors have cheered the Federal Reserve's dovish statements by Jerome Powell. The comments that despite elevated inflation, long-term inflation expectation remains well anchored, and that is something that has led to no rate hikes, and perhaps investors are now penciling in a rate pause in the rate hike cycle as well, and that is something that has really led to a lift in the sentiments across the globe today. Markets are now pricing in a 22% chance of a hike at the central bank's December meeting, down from a 29% year ago as per most of the street estimates. Also, the probability of rates remaining unchanged through January's meeting has also climbed from 60% earlier to an estimate of 70% chances now. Also helping bullish sentiments were the WTI crude oil futures, which tumbled $81 a barrel as well today. So what is the expectation that big analysts, top brokerage houses have for tomorrow, and so that you can get better prepared for what should your strategy be on the Nifty in tomorrow's trading session? So the Nifty's big support is placed at 18,939, and this is as per Mehta Equities, and they also believe that Nifty's 200 days moving average is placed at 18,635 mark. They've also said that the support range will be 18,939 to 18,607 on the lower side, and the resistance for the Nifty is placed at 19,289 to 19,577. Also, they believe tomorrow the range of the Nifty could be anywhere between 19,050 to 19,300. 21 days moving average is placed at 19,439, 50 days moving average is placed at 19,564, 200 days moving average is placed at 18,635, and the trend is likely to remain positive in tomorrow's trading session. Aditya Gagar, the director of Progressive Shares, has believed that the markets have commenced the weekly expiry day on a strong note above 19,000, but higher levels did not really last for long. They erased majority of the gains as well. So on a daily chart, he believes that the Nifty has really made a doji kind of a candlestick pattern, which represents indecisiveness between the bulls and the bears, and at present it is standing in the middle of the range of 18,800 to 19,250 and is awaiting a clear breakout on either of the sides to really give us a sense of which way are the markets really going to go in the next leg of the move. Ajit Mishra, the Senior Vice President of Technical Research at Religare Broking, believes that it is too early to say that whether we are out of the woods as far as the markets are concerned. There are several hurdles between 19,200 and 19,400, which the markets will have to consistently cross before we get a sense of that the markets are now out of the volatile zone as well. So Ajit Mishra has reiterated their view on following stock-specific approach for all the investors, focusing more on the overnight risk management as well. So that's the key strategy that Ajit Mishra has really shared as of now. Today's trading session definitely was a positive. We did see not just the Nifty Bank but all across the boards buying coming in on all the sectors as they all ended higher in the green as well. Let's also look at the top gainers as far as the Nifty is concerned. So Britannia, Hindalco, Indices Bank all were up by 2, 2.5, 3 odd percent. Just barring 6, 7 losers, we had most of the Nifty gainers coming in tow today, 1.5 to 8% of a move. So on the losing side, you only had, say, perhaps Hero, Moto, Tech, Mahindra, Bajaj Auto down by 0.5% to 1.5% as well. Some of the others included Bajaj Finance, ONGC, Dr. Reddy's. But you can see the quantum of losses is not too very worrying at this point in time. The doji candle would still mean that we will have to wait for the global cues that may again continue with the upside today as well. That may lend further support to the Indian markets tomorrow. So that's as far as the market prediction is for tomorrow. The strategies that are recommended by most of the experts. Do stay tuned on to Business Today television to catch all the updates from the world of business and stock markets, and to know what exactly should you be doing in the markets tomorrow.
Hello and welcome to Business Today Television. I am Siddharth Zarabi, and with me now is the Managing Director of Indraprasth Gas Limited, Kamal Kishore Chatiwal. Welcome to